Hey, what's going on? Aaron Chen here. Hope you're doing well. If you're watching this video right now, you might be doing some research on 4% Wealth Autopilot system, okay? So maybe you came across the Wealth Autopilot system, you're watching this presentation from Vick and you're wondering, what is this all about? Is this the real deal? Can you really make the kind of money that he's talking about here? He's talking about building, real wealth on autopilot and $7,000 per week, step by step. I'm going to break this all down for you, and then you can decide whether or not you want to get into this program or not, okay? So basically, the Wealth Autopilot system is a marketing system that's created around the 7K Metals business, okay? So 7K Metals is a network marketing business, and what they specialize in is gold and silver bullion, all right? So the product is a great product. You're actually, saving gold and silver bullion, and you may or may not know this, but gold and silver over the long term has always increased in price. So, diversifying your asset class into gold and silver is actually a very smart thing to do. As you probably already know, the dollar is backed by gold, right? And again, over the long term, gold has always increased over a period of time since 100 years plus years ago. So it's a great store of value. All right. So it's a really good product. 7K Metals is a network marketing business from the US. It's been around at the time of recording this video for more than 5 years. And it was created by one of the executives of Melaleuca, Roger Ball, who is a very, very experienced network marketing guy, right? So great company, great products. It's not selling pills, lotion, creams, or anything like that. It's really looking at increasing your wealth over time by saving an asset class. So instead of investing your money or just leaving your money in fiat currency, which is US dollar, British pounds, Malaysian ringgit, or whatever it is, right? You're taking a part of your income and you're saving in an asset class that always increases over a period of time. So that's how you can protect yourself and your family. It's a great thing to invest in. So this is just the website, and this is some of the products that you can buy directly from 7K, okay? Now, coming back to the Wealth Autopilot system, now how this all works is this, okay? So what Vick has done, and if you don't know Vick, Vick is a millionaire, a multi-millionaire internet marketer. He's been around for a very, very long time, does some really, really great stuff. In fact, the way that I broke through in 2016 was because of some of his training, okay? And now it's taken me to multiple six figures, so I've learned a lot of stuff from this man. And this is one of the newest things that he's doing to support his community, right? Is instead of just building a network marketing business like 7K old school style, which is what a lot of people do, right? A lot of people will get into an MLM like Herbalife or Melaleuca or Monavi or For Life or whatever it is, and they'll recruit their friends and family, right? Instead of doing that, he does everything automated. He does everything using the internet, using systems, and that's how people can leverage technology to be able to grow a very, very interesting opportunity in a much easier way, okay? And that's why he's created the Wealth Autopilot system. So you may have seen the Wealth Autopilot presentation like this, all right? Or you might have seen it like this. This is kind of like a webinar style, okay? Now, let me show you the back office of the Wealth Autopilot system, all right? So essentially what it is it's an exclusive marketing system that basically helps you to sell the 7K Metals opportunity, all right? So first of all, the 7K Metals business itself, the product is really good. It's a very good company. It's a very good product. You're collecting gold and silver. Who doesn't want to collect more gold and silver, right? But instead of just letting you recruit friends and family, which can be very, very difficult, what Vic has done is he's created this marketing system that will allow people to market the business if they want using systems and tools, okay? So this is kind of the back office of the Wealth Autopilot system, right? And what this does is it allows, first of all, that there's, it's very, very detailed. Okay, so there's the basic setup. There's what he calls the E-stage setup, which is basically a hub that brands you and allows you to do a lot of different things because it brands you. And then it's got the webinar fuel setup, which is basically the setup that I have, which is a customized setup that allows you to make customize everything even more. Okay, and you've got links in here and stuff like that. Now the cool thing about the system is that it not only does the selling and telling for you, because Vic is very experienced in doing presentations, and he teaches you how to do all the marketing, but he gives you all the links here, okay? He gives you all the tools, right, to build everything out. So there's a lot of done for you stuff here. And the cool thing about the system is when somebody actually wants something, okay, so once somebody actually goes through the system, they will request for placement inside of your 7K team, okay? Now, the problem with building a network marketing business without automation, without technology, is you have to go and convince people, you have to present to them and get them to buy into the opportunity. Now, the great thing about the Wealth Autopilot system is that everything is done for you on the technology side, and what you need to do is just learn to market this online, okay? And he's got something called again, the Wealth Academy that teaches you. It's free, by the way, okay? So the Wealth Academy is free. It's a full-on training course, online training course that teaches you not only how to market online, but it teaches you how to use the Wealth Autopilot system so that you can then recommend this to people and get them into your 7K metals business. All right, so there's a couple of things there's three things that are happening. First of all, you're learning to become a great online marketer through Wealth Academy, which is free, okay? You get a free account, a free basic account to the 4% marketing platform. You learn to build and collect your assets through gold and silver. And if you want to, you can build the network marketing opportunity with 7K metals so that you can earn even more money through their network marketing opportunity. Okay, so it's very, very cool, all right? So, and when people come through the Wealth Autopilot system, when they're interested, they will show up here, right? And all you have to do is just contact them and give them, you get their number, you get their email, and you just give them your 7K metal link, and they will basically join your opportunity, okay, in 7K, and that's how you grow your team. Because they went through the Wealth Autopilot system, Vick does all the selling and telling for you, right? He presents everything, and then people kind of raise their hand and they say, hey, I'm interested in this. You contact them because they give you their contact information here, and then you send them your 7K link, and then they join your team, and that's how you grow the business, right? And then you grow the business, you get access to the compensation plan, which I'll show you in a second, okay? And that's kind of what the Wealth Autopilot system is all about, okay? You get notifications here, which is really cool. So every time somebody, wants to, join my team, I basically get a notification because everything's all set up here, and then all my contact information is here as well, which is really, really cool, okay? And this is something that Vick has set up. He spent a lot of money on this, hundreds of thousands of dollars on the Wealth Autopilot system, and you get this for free if you decide to join the 7K metal opportunity. So how much is the 7K metal opportunity, right? So if you decide to join 7K, that's really the only thing that you're going to need to pay for, all right, at the basic level. So basically, to join 7K, it's how much 7K charges, okay? So to join the opportunity, it is $250, and then it's $150 per month auto ship, okay? So you join the opportunity, right, at about $250, right? And then you have a $150 per month auto ship, which gets you a coin, a silver, a silver bullion coin that you get to save on autopilot every single month, right? Which is very, very cool. So it's not expensive, and you get the marketing system for free at the basic level. If you want to use the upgraded system, where it's a little bit more advanced, then there are ways to do that, right? But at the basic level, you're getting a lot just for joining the 7K opportunity, all right? And you get to learn marketing, you get the Wealth Academy, online training for free, and you also get this particular system right here, the Wealth Autopilot system, to market for free. All you really need to do is just join through Wealth Autopilot, and then join 7K metals at the normal 7K metals joining price, okay, if you want. And that's kind of the Wealth Autopilot system, a very, very cool little system right there, okay? Now, let me show you the compensation plan of 7K if you've never seen it before, right? Because this whole system was created to promote 7K metals, right? The system is free, which is really cool. Obviously, joining 7K metals isn't free because 7K metals is a network marketing opportunity. So if you would like to join 7K metals as an opportunity, collect gold and silver, build your wealth over time, and at the same time get a very cool marketing system for free, then I'm going to show you how to do that. But let me just show you the 7K opportunity, okay? So this is basically the compensation plan, right? And the cool thing, and I know this looks a little bit complicated, but the cool thing about 7K is that it's a lot easier to make money with them than a lot of other multi-level marketing companies out there, okay? If you've ever been in network marketing or multi-level marketing where you have to build a team, right? You literally have to recruit hundreds and hundreds of people before you even see any income, okay? If you want to see $5,000 per month, $10,000 per month, you have to have hundreds of people in your downline. That's a lot. That's very hard, okay? So you have to have 500 people, 1,000 people in your downline. But the cool thing about 7K is that their unit level plan is very, very rewarding. Okay, so for you to qualify for just $500 per week, which is $2,000 a month, you only need to have one person on your left and one person on your right. That means that you only need to recruit one person here and one person here. That's only 2 people. Okay, if you want to make $1,000 a week, which is $4,000 per month, you only need to have 2 people on your right and 2 people on your left, and 2 of them must be associates, which means that another 2 of them have 2 below them, and one of them has to have 2 below them, and the other one on the left has 2 below them. So a total of 6 people. Okay, 2 on your left, 2 on your right, and then each have associates, which means that it's a total of 8 people that you have to recruit. So that's not that many. Think about that. If you only have to recruit 8 people to make $1,000 a week, which is $4,000 per month, that blows the compensation plan of most MLM companies out of the water, right? Out of the park. Because most MLM companies, in order for you to earn $4,000 every single month, you're gonna have to recruit, man, a lot of people, hundreds and hundreds of people. Okay, so it's a very, very powerful compensation plan. And I'm not going to go through it anymore because I don't want to confuse you, but just understand that it's a lot easier in the 7K metals for you to get to decent income levels compared to a lot of other multi-level marketing companies. And the cherry on top is the Wealth Autopilot system, which you get for free, the Wealth Academy training, which you get for free, okay? And the system just helps you to recruit into a very great network marketing company in a very, very easy way through all this automation here. Now, obviously, you're still gonna have to do the work. You're still gonna have to go through the Wealth Academy training to learn how to market online. You're gonna have to set up your system, but Vick has done a lot of the heavy lifting for you, okay? This is not like a fully automated system where you don't have to do anything at all. No, you need to do work. Just like any other real business online, you need to do work, okay? But the beauty is that you get all of this for free, which is really cool, just by joining 7K, all right? And again, you join 7K at the normal price, which is $250 upfront, and then $150 every single month, and you get your auto ship coin every single month. So you're saving money anyway, right? So it's a pretty good deal, to be honest, right? So you're getting a lot for just joining at the 7K level. So that's kind of the Wealth Autopilot system in a nutshell, okay? Very, very few multi-level marketing opportunities are doing anything like this. So if you are interested, number one, in growing gold and silver, right? If you're interested in diversifying into that asset class, if you're interested in learning how to market online, if you're interested to learn how to leverage a system that has been created for you by a master, multi-millionaire marketer, and all you need to do is learn how to set this up and then get this out there into the marketplace, collect gold and silver, and then build your team and earn even more income through the compensation plan of 7K, which is very lucrative, all right? Then I think it's a great system, okay? So if you want to check it out, all you need to do is just click the link below, right? And once you click the link below, you're actually going to get onto my webinar, okay? So this is my webinar. I'm just going to be 100% transparent with you, all right? Because this is something that I'm growing on the side as well, right? Now, this is obviously not my main program, guys. I sell affiliate training products. I've made, hundreds of thousands of dollars, almost actually close to $1 million in sales online selling other people's products. But I truly believe in growing wealth, okay? So one of the ways that I grow wealth is not only investing in stocks and funds and cryptocurrencies, but also in gold and silver, because diversifying your portfolio is a smart thing to do, okay? So if you would like to, jump onto my team, if you would like to learn how to do this, if you would like to get access to the Wealth Autopilot system and market a really great range of products, then you can do that if you want, completely up to you, all right? But I think it's a great system. You're getting a lot for just joining the 7K business. The Wealth Autopilot system is free. The Wealth Academy system is free. The 4% basic level is free as well. All you need to do is just join our team or join through the link below if you want to get access to 7K and Wealth Autopilot and Wealth Academy as well, okay? So if you'd like to do that, completely up to you. I think this is a great system. It's something that I'm doing myself. I think gold and silver is great. I think 7K is great. I think saving gold and silver is great. But if you would like to grow this as a business and you're interested in the opportunity, go ahead and click the link below. If you want, completely up to you. If you're on your mobile device, you can click on the arrow on the right-hand side, and then you're going to see the link for this particular presentation. Go through the presentation, okay? And then after that, you can request for a spot on my team, and what's going to happen is I'm going to get a notification here, and then I will go ahead and quickly send you your link, and then you can join 7K, and you're going to be able to get access to all this stuff that you just saw right here today. Okay, I hope that makes sense. I hope you enjoyed this review of the Wealth Autopilot system. If you're interested, go ahead and click the link below. Otherwise, I hope you enjoyed the review of Wealth Autopilot. Speak to you soon. Take care.